Theragon Pro. Professional grade smart percussive therapy device. Getting started. Step 1. Turn on and float. Firmly press and hold the center button on the button pad, then float the Theragon Pro across areas in need. Use the plus and minus buttons on the button pad to adjust the speed. Apply light to moderate pressure as needed. Step 2. Get the Theragon app. We'll guide you through a stress-free setup and show you how to get the most out of your Theragon Pro. Step 3. Feel the difference every day. Take a deep breath and treat yourself with guided treatment presets or freestyle mode. It's all designed for you. The Theragon Pro. OLED screen. B. Button pad. C. Theragon triangle multi-grip. D. Lithium Ion Battery. E. Battery release button. F. Rotating arm button. G. Rotating arm. H. Interchangeable attachments. Using the Theragon Pro. Insert the lithium ion battery fully before turning on the Theragon Pro. To turn on the Theragon Pro, firmly press and hold the center button on the button pad. Press the plus and minus buttons on the button pad to increase or decrease speed. Press the left and right arrows on the button pad to toggle between the Theragon Pro's preloaded treatment presets. To turn off the Theragon Pro, firmly press and hold the center button on the button pad until the device shuts off. Connecting the attachments. Align the attachment with the tip of the rotating arm and push to connect. To remove, grip the attachment, placing one finger on each side of the plastic connector. Pull off the attachment. Correct. Incorrect. Using the rotating arm. Your Theragon Pro's rotating arm adjusts to 4 positions. To adjust the arm, push the rotating arm button on the underside of the Theragon Pro and move the arm to the desired position. Lithium Ion Battery. Align and insert the battery in the battery slot on the underside of the Theragon Pro with the flat side of the battery end facing the circular release button. Battery life is displayed on the Theragon Pro's OLED screen when the device is turned on. To remove the battery, press the circular release button above the battery slot and pull the battery out. Charger. Plug the charging wire into the port on the charging dock. Insert the battery into the charging dock and press down until the light flashes. Charging is complete once the light stops flashing. The Theragon Pro is wireless charging enabled. For more on wireless charging, visit Theragon.com. Smart features. Your Theragon Pro is smart device enabled with Bluetooth connectivity designed to pair seamlessly with the Theragon app. When you download the app, you'll be guided through a step-by-step setup and shown how to pair your device. Once paired with your device, the app can remotely adjust speed, activate guided treatment presets, and make real-time recommendations based on your usage. Your Theragon Pro's OLED screen supports your app experience by displaying the current speed and force to help guide your treatment. Scan the QR code to get started. Attachments. Your Theragon Pro comes with 6 different attachments designed for every muscle in need. Dampener, for use on tender areas or near bones. Standard ball, for overall general use. Wedge, for scraping shoulder blades and IT bands. Thumb, for lower back and trigger point therapy. Cone, for pinpoint muscle treatment. Super soft, when you need a soft touch. Theragon Pro, born in Los Angeles, CA, designed for every body. FCC statements should be displayed in the user manual. IC statements should be displayed in the user manual. Thank you for watching.